Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let us solve some questions from Anesthesia Guidelines. This video is part 2. If you want to solve questions from part 1, then you can check the video in my playlist, CPC Exam Anesthesia series. Let's start with the first question. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. This is the first question. Anesthesia for a procedure on the shoulder is coded from which range? Option A 001002 00 Option B 004002 00474. Option C 01610 201680. Option D 01810 01860. In your CPT manual, open Anesthesia section. When you open Anesthesia section, in the first page, you can see the index. So, under Anesthesia, you can see shoulder and axilla 016102 01680. So, the right answer is option C. Shoulder anesthesia falls under the codes 016102 01680. Next question. Emergency anesthesia is indicated by which modifier? Option A ET, option B EM, option C E and option D ER. Can you think of the right answer? The correct answer is option C. Modifier E is used to indicate an emergency anesthesia situation. CPT does not use two-letter modifiers like ET, EM or ER for anesthesia emergencies. Emergency anesthesia is reported using modifier E, which signals that delaying treatment would significantly increase the threat to life or body part. Next question. Which physical status modifier indicates a brain dead patient whose organs are being removed for donation? P5, P6, P4 or P3? Open your CPT manual, go to Anesthesia section and see under physical status modifiers. Modifier P6 is for declared brain dead patient whose organs are being removed for donor purposes. So, the right answer is option B, P6. Let us move on to the next question. Monitored anesthesia care, that is MAC, is reported using option A only modifier QS, option B only modifier QZ, option C regular anesthesia codes plus QS and option D only physical status modifiers. The right answer is option C regular anesthesia codes plus QS. MAC uses standard anesthesia codes plus modifier QS to indicate MAC. Let us see why other options are wrong. Option A, only modifier QS is wrong because QS cannot be built alone. And option B, only modifier QZ is wrong because QZ is for cRNA without medical direction. It is not for MAC. Option C is correct and option D, only physical status modifiers is wrong because physical status modifiers, that is P1 to P6, are added in addition to anesthesia codes, not instead of QS. Next question. Which modifier indicates a cRNA service without medical direction? All these modifiers QK, QX, QZ and QS are present in your HCPCS Level 2 manual. So check the modifier QK. QK is for medical direction of 2, 3 or 4 concurrent anesthesia procedures involving qualified individuals. So this is not matching with the question. In the question they're asking which modifier indicates a cRNA service without medical direction. So, QK will be wrong because it involves medical direction of 2, 3 or 4 concurrent anesthesia procedures involving qualified individuals. QX, that is option B, is for cRNA service with medical direction by physician. That is also wrong. In the question they are asking without medical direction. Option C, QZ, is for cRNA service without medical direction by physician. So, it is exactly matching with the question. The right answer is option C. Option D, QS, is for monitored anesthesia care service. But in the question, they're asking cRNA service without medical direction. So, the right answer is option C. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you all are practicing well for the CPC exam. See you in the next video.